Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt, Kurt Financial Group. Today's Friday, November 7, 2025. Thank God it's Friday because the markets won't trade over the weekend. The sell-off continues. The S&P 500 is down 2.5% from its all-time high, which was last Thursday. NASDAQ's down 3.7% in 6 trading days from its all-time high. So not huge moves off the all-time high, but it feels very painful. And certainly within sectors, it's been, really a lot bigger sell-offs than what the major averages are. Some of the AI stocks and the chip stocks and the, data center power, stuff like that have been really hit hard. Rare earth stocks have been hit. MP has been the leader down. It was reported earnings last night. It's bounced a little bit today. But, within, again, sectors, some certain stocks have just been really hit hard. Also, outside of the stock market, the cryptocurrency has been hit really hard. Bitcoin's down about 20% from its all-time high. But some of those smaller coins have been really punished. Down 50% or more on some of them. The Nvidia is down about 13% from its all-time high, which I think was 2 weeks ago. And in that time, again, part of the AI, maybe overvaluation, maybe a bubble popping. But today's news, Nvidia and China having a dispute, might not be able to sell chips into China. So that's pressuring things. And then I think I see some things about the government shutdown. And, this prolonged government shutdown is going to hurt the economy, and maybe that's impacting the stock market too. Looking at some earnings, I found this very interesting. The Russell 2000, which has 2,000 companies, 1,100 or so have reported, and in the summation of it is earnings growth year over year is 22%. So that's really good for the small caps. That's why they've been outperforming, although they've been hit this week as well. But I find, and also the forecasts and projections for Russell, as well as the other stocks, the larger stocks, are for growth into the first quarter. So, hey, this thing, the market could sell off. If you remember all the way back to October 10, about a month ago, the Dow was down 1,000 points in a day. It was on a Friday, and the market bounced right back. Now, part of that was, I think, dealer positioning and some other things going on, which may be similar to what's going on now. I still kind of think that there's going to be some stabilization and a decent year-end rally, but right now that doesn't look to be on the horizon. So have a good weekend. We'll be back on Monday. Thank you. Goodbye.